welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so today I'm gonna be teaching you how to program, which is really easy. And I know a lot of you are want to program or do something like create a game or something. It's really easy actually. It's just hard to find the right program to do it and how to do it, and there's different languages that it's hard to do it. So the first thing we're gonna go to our browser. Wait until it loads up. Okay, so in our browser we're gonna type processing. We're gonna type processing.org. Okay, so we go there. As you see, this is the page, this is the program, so we're setting everything up. Okay, so as you see, there's books and explains to you all the different things that you can do and the effects. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to download processing. You can donate if you want. It's really good to donate though, because you're helping them. So you click no donation and download. So you select your Windows or your Linux or the Mac, whatever you have. In my case, I got a Windows 6. We will download it. As you know, I already have it, so I'm just gonna go right through it. I have it right here, processing that all. It's gonna come in a zip file, so you're gonna right click, extract here, and I'm gonna be left with this. You open this up, there's the application. You don't have to install it or anything, so you're just gonna right click on it and go to create shortcut or send to desktop, create shortcut. So I already have it right here, so we're just gonna open it up. While we're doing this, I'm also gonna have this open, and I'm gonna go right here to the reference. The reference is where you can find all the types of commands that you have, all the imports, loops, for different things. So this will help you. If you click on one of them, it will tell you what it does, and it will give you a sample how to do it. Okay. So first we're gonna get started. This is the simplest thing to write program. We start with void, then setup, two parentheses, and open curly braces. Okay. Why do we open curly braces? The curly braces, they state the start of the statements and the end of the statement. Okay. The semicolon, it means that the program is over. Okay. So in this case, there's gonna be different. What do we wanna draw? Let me see. Okay, so we wanna go to right here to the primitive, and as you know, we got an arc, ellipse, line, point, quad, and rectangle. Rect means rectangle, so in this case we wanna draw an ellipse. Okay, there's different things to do to draw an ellipse. Okay. So see here, there's 4 inputs. In this case, this one will be the X value and the Y value. As you know, in math there's a graph, so the x value and the y value, this will be where your circle will be placed, and this will be the width and the height of the circle. Okay, so we all that clear. We voice set up, we set the size of the screen that we want. Let's say 500, no, 800 by 500. We close parentheses, the same icon ends. So I'm done with the setup. So this is gonna be like my system, my main. Now we'll introduce void draw, open parentheses. In this case we're not putting anything inside the parentheses because we're gonna be writing many statements, so that's why the curly braces are for. Okay, so we have parentheses, we say we want to draw an ellipse, we type the word ellipse, we open the parentheses, so we want it to be 250 x and 500, no, say 300. We want it with the 50 and 50. We close the parentheses, same icon, and close the curly braces. So now we go here, run, and there we got our ellipse. So this is the simple programming stuff. Now let's say we want to add a color to this, right? This is gray, so there's different things to do. First of all, there's 3 types of color. You can use the command fill, but here is it, fill. So let's set what fill is. So we type in fill right here. So it says fill sets the color used to fill shape. For example, if you don't fill so it sets okay, so basically fill has 3 commands. Okay, there is red, green and blue, 3 basic colors. So let's say I want this to be red only, right? So let me see, I'll put 125, maybe 0, 0, close the parentheses, and this will do the ellipse color. There you go, a red. If you want it to be black, it only goes to 250, so you go 250 and run your code. Boom, there you go. So this is how you get the circle inside the fill. So let's say you want to do a background, right? So you go, let's say doing the setup, background, very important thing, if you type anything wrong and this doesn't turn any color like this or this, that means it's wrong. And the section is with a float, but I'll teach you guys that later. Okay, so we want a background. Well, this program is very helpful because we can go here to tool, we go to color selector. Let's say we want a blue background, we select this right here, we go copy and paste it, close our parentheses, there you go, and we run. There you go. There we go with our circle with our blue background. So let's say we want the circle to move. If we want the circle to move as we move it, so how do we do that? How do we move that circle instead of just the circle is gonna stay there, stay there? Okay, so what's happening there? This is being in a loop. This is being drawn again, again, again. So, but it's drawing the same position, So say we want to move this with our mouse. Okay, so how do we move with our mouse? We can go here. Says mouse. So go mouse. Oh, there we got mouse. Mouse button, mouse click, mouse press, mouse X, and mouse Y. That's what we want. Mouse Y is mean the Y axis, so the mouse is gonna move up and down. So when you move the mouse cursor up and down, so as you know, this is the X and the Y. Okay, so we wanna type right here mouse X and mouse Y. Okay, so what will this do is going to move the circle as you move the mouse. Okay, another thing guys, this right here, 2 slashes, that means a comment. Something else about comment, if you want to write like a really long comment, you slash star and you everything that you write is a comment. Okay, so to finish it will be star slash, so then you start writing code. This is very important because when somebody else is looking at your works and you don't know, the comments help to know what they're doing. Okay, so we got here, so we run the program, and as you see, our circle is moving. Now, why is that happening? Why is it drawing like that? Okay, first of all, like we say, this is in a loop, this is drawing again. But look at here, our background is on the setup. The setup only goes once, only runs once, and this runs over and over again. So what we want to do is we want a background over here. Okay, so it will draw background one over and over again. Okay, so let's try out. There you go, our circle's moving. So now let's say we want, if we click the mouse, the circle to change color. Okay, so this is easy. We're gonna use an if statement. An if statement is says, let's look at it over here. If statements basically means if it's either true or false. Okay, it says allows the program to make a decision about which code to execute. If the test evaluates the true, the statement enclosed between the block are both executed and the test. Okay, so basically if what you're saying over here is true or false. Okay, so let's say if parentheses mouse press, close the parentheses. Okay, so here you open your preview sign and then say fill and say, I don't know what color you guys, I'll do yellow, fill yellow. That we close this up and we close this slash. Let's see what's happened. So we have our circle. If I press the mouse, cut. Okay, so fair, right? So we go with mouse press, ellipse, mouse X, mouse Y, 50-50. So we want the fill to go on the top. So we cut this out, go here, put it, and see. It's giving me an error. It's telling me that the function ellipse does not exist. That's what I've been telling you right here. See the error? So what we did was erase this and fix this and see what happened. Our ellipse. And look at that, if we click the mouse, the color changes. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, this is about your first code. It's actually really easy and everybody can learn it. So let's get to something a little bit more complicated. Let's say you want the background to change or something, or you want a stroke, or you want the borders of the circle to be another color. Well, this is gonna be really easy to make the borders of a circle a color. So you got fill, ellipse, so you got fill, then if you want you can put before fill, stroke. Let's say we want the stroke to be pink. Let's say pink, why not? Put a pink, what's up, and see how the program goes. There you go, our borders are pink. Well, what will happen if we want to see the stroke a little bit more? Okay, we go here, let's say it has to do something with the weight. So how do we know the weight? And let's go find our stroke. Let's see, stroke weight. Ooh. Oh, basically it sets the width of the stroke used for lines, points, and the border around shapes. All widths are set in unit of pixels, okay? Okay, so we either can predetermine the stroke weight in our setup, but this will apply for all our strokes, or we can just do it here. Let's say I want to do it here, so I just type stroke weight, and I'll say 2. I don't know, 2. So we run the program, and you can see a little bit better. So let's make it more visible. 5. How about now? See, you can see your stroke weight. 5. So this is about it. It's really easy, and in the next video I'm gonna show you guys how to make the circle width get bigger and the circle height get smaller just with the mouse and moving the mouse. So I hope you like it. Thumbs up and subscribe.